What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get mods and hacks and stuff all like that. Free Netflix. Well, that doesn't really work that well honestly, but it sort of works. Free Spotify Premium works. Other stuff, you can get hacks in some other games. So watch this tutorial if you want to know how to do this. So once again, I did say you could get stuff like Netflix and stuff, except it's a little bit broken. Can't really search with it properly. It's not really that good. All you can watch is the trending now stuff. But
so how do you do this, you may ask?
This little thing called a happy mod. First, just click that download button on the bottom, the blue thing. Okay. You don't need to download it, but I recommend you do. Now that you have it downloaded, you can get hacks and stuff. So let's say Minecraft. I don't know if you want to hack it. So look. See, look, people won't die, high attack power, all skins. If you want that, I don't really like hacking. I would advise against it. But if you're that kind of guy, here you go. Look, 35 player menu, show team / impostor, no kill cooldown. But yeah, if there's anything you want to mod, just go search up here and just write anything. Like, let's just say GTA, because one of the trending ones. Free, unlimited money. Yeah, there's also games you can play instantly. They're all terrible though. Look at this knockoff Among Us game. This looks awful. I'm the orange guy. Okay, that game is terrible. I'm never playing that again. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know.
Bye.